Alright guys, so I'm going to show you how you can access Netflix on your LG TV. So here we have YouTube. To get all the YouTube to our home screen, we need to press this home button, just like so. We open our home screen, and here sometimes you can actually use your remote controller to locate this Netflix button if it is on your remote controller. So if it is, you can just press it and it will open Netflix on your LG TV. If it's not here, you go for the next step and to try to find it in this application line. So here I have Netflix just here. If it's not there, you will need to go to this application app. You open it with this action button. Now we wait for it to launch. So once it's done launching, you will need to go to the search button, which is located right here. You click on that. And now on this virtual keyboard, we need to type Netflix to find it in this search bar. So once we found it, we click on Netflix. And here in this application line, you can locate Netflix and just click on it. So because it is already installed on my LG TV, once I click Netflix, it will just open the app. But in your case, if it's not installed, it will ask if you want to install Netflix on your LG TV. And all you need to do is to just press install and wait for the installation process. And once it's done, you can access Netflix and watch all the movies, well, in case you have an account. So if you found this video useful, please consider liking this video and subscribing to the channel.